literally कुछ भी करते हैं on occasion. We saw in his last game that left foot finesse shot into the top corner out of absolutely nowhere, but a great ball and a chip finish, and it is the goal early on for Jamshedpur FC. No rust for Akash Ash, straight back into the mix, and he has the lead.
Oh yes, and this is exactly what they needed. This is exactly what the fans of Jamshedpur needed at this point. And जी हाँ, यहाँ पे अगर ऐसे ही खेलते गए आकाश आश, आई एम प्रीटी श्योर सही मौके का इंतजार आप कह सकते हैं, बहुत पेशेंट रहे थे.
We all know that Ankit just needs that one chance and it could all go completely away from Akash, but for the moment Akash looking very much in control.
अब बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज खेल रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट कॉलेट के द्वारा he goes in for that long finesse shot, and this time how taking a page off Ankit Gupta's book, and there you go, 2-0 up, especially in that central area, right? That is something that they could work upon. But yes, the magic is about to begin. Ruth Gullit ke saath from the left hand side went in for a cutback, but Maldini was there to throw it out of the play, out for a corner.
But we cross to the back post with Ronaldo and the header, the trademark set piece from Ankit Gupta, almost apologetic in the celebration कि यार ये तो आराम से हो जाता है. It's almost like I don't even have to work to get that goal, but decides not to go for either of them. The cutback and saved by Van der Sar. It looks like Akash may have moved the keeper to that far post over there, and that was a huge opportunity for Ankit. And now going back the other way, it's absolutely breathless. Mbappe coming in. If he gets the ball right at the back post, it could be in, but defended there by Vieira. Still a chance. Falls to Ronaldo. Well defended again.
Oh god, that was such a close chance. अगर direct shot के लिए जाते शायद इसी में goal हो सकता था, but again जैसा आपने कहा explosive matchup जिसको कहते हैं, you know, back and forth, and Ronaldo के पास okay, alright, ball गया से third, it's a cheap giveaway. He's got to look for that one good pass, and then maybe can go directly for the shot, maybe a little ambitious, and Van der Sar, the long hands, making the reach out for a corner.
That was a बहुत ही crucial save रहा था over there by Van der Sar, because if Akash got the goal, and he still might have there, again Van der Sar to the rescue, and 3 minutes of stoppage time played. Referee कोई mood में, referee को शायद मजा आ रहा है मैच में, वो बिल्कुल ही बंद करने को का नाम ही नहीं ले रहे. Mbappe crosses it in, open head of Gullit, again Van der Sar saves, and still, and it's a goal kick. Oh my goodness, what drama we're witnessing, and it's still just half time. Looking for that 5-star weaker foot, although I believe it's Akash who's brought Ginola on. And now SC is Bengal, cheap giveaway in the middle of the park using Messi. लगता है मुझे with Messi coming on that Ankit is going to revert to his old tactic of finesse shots. And speaking of finesse shots, it's into the top corner. It's 2-all. What a game we have on our hands here.
Oh yes, now we're equalized once again. The answer being Messi being replaced and coming in, and instantly जो आपने कहा था finesse shots, सही opening कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा नजरअंदाज कर गए.
And immediately he's going to go for the finesse shot, surely, and it's just wide.
And the moment Messi के ऊपर आया ball, he instantly went in for the tackle, but this time the push is on Pele, giving it away towards Mbappe. It's a clear side, but no, Maldini, his legs.
Gets that ball, and now he will look for that last attack. He's got Gullit making the run. He can find him. It's a clear run through for Gullit. Will he take the shot? Will he go for the pass? He goes for the pass, finds Messi, finds the corner. That is surely the winning goal for SC East Bengal. And Ankit Gupta yet again, the clutch master, has pulled it out of the bag.
The brace coming in from Messi, enough at the right time, the right moment to win this matchup. Oh, that was stellar. That was phenomenal from his side, and there you go. Oh. Trying to look for some opening, but बहुत मुश्किल होने वाला है, because आपको याद होगा Arvind Mas and Lokman, that match was a really close one. But there you go. From minute 6, directly Ronaldo के साथ a little bit of an opening, a little bit of a hiccup, and Beno 7 scores. And SC East Bengal a very quick early lead.
Oh, I thought, you know, he had maybe just passed that chance up. I thought the pass had come a little bit too late, but no, for Beno 7 taking a leaf out of that Ankit Gupta playbook.
Then he makes sure he capitalizes, and it's so much helpful. Initially Beno आया था, he was looking a little bit nervous, but Ankit के जो powers है वो channel कर गया and goes for another shot again with Ronaldo. The second goal coming in. SC East Bengal. Oh, they're roaring.
Oh yes, Shayantan, I'm Ben07. He has absolutely come of age now in these last couple of days. Really showing what he's capable of. Very simply worked goal. Now with Mbappe, had the opportunity to pass to Pele, decides to pass it up, goes central. Trying to move, almost moving Zidane into the box there, but decided to keep him back. Now the turn from Ronaldo into the bottom corner. Arvind is right back in this.
Oh yes, अब तक के जितने भी goals आए हैं have been coming off of Ronaldo's left, right and center, and there you go, Jamshedpur FC, they have made a comeback right in. एक goal चटका दिया है, but still one more goal. शांतन को देख रहे हैं फिर से, he's going in deep, he's going in straight and searching for that opening. He wanted to make Pele would run, but that did not happen. But directly going greedy with Ronaldo, goes in for the shot, and that's a hat trick coming in. SC East Bengal 3-1.
And it's a huge result that he's on the brink of right now, so you can understand the necessity to just manage the game. And speaking of manage, oh, if he manages this, that's outstanding. It is a goal. It is 4-1. Shayantan is absolutely ruling the roost here. SC East Bengal are on their way to the top three.
He is on fire. He is on fire. And कहीं ना कहीं जब भी हम बात करते हैं SC East Bengal की, तो अंकित गुप्ता का नाम जहन में आता है. I think he is gonna steal all the limelight today. Right, 5 minutes remaining, 3 goal shot. Jamshedpur, they're done.
And it could be 5-1 here as well. He's got Pele in there. Will he go for that pass? He does pass. It falls eventually to Ronaldo, who was not the player selected by him. But I think it will still be a goal. Yes, it is. It's 5-1. The route is complete. Ankit Gupta's step over. Shayantan is the main man now.
Oh yes, especially that last kill, right? And this is exactly what we like, right? As he thinks to open up completely. अभी भी आप कह सकते हो कि AISL में it's about to be anybody's game. You know, who likes the league where you know a certain team is going to win, right? Every single day. But there you have again SC East Bengal, this time a chip shot, but finally Maldini again.
कि ये सब चाहिए, but no way he's gone for a shot from there. Okay.
Din by din, they're getting better. And look at those variety of passes over here towards Mbappe. जाएगा तो जाएगा, नहीं तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉर्नर होगा या फिर गोल किक होगा, देख लेंगे उसके बाद. तो उनका वो अप्रोच, उनका वो मेंटालिटी कुछ ऐसा रहता है. So clearly favoring them, and yeah, the corner for SC Bengal. Let's see if they can make anything out of it, as a shot has been taken, and this is what I was talking about.
Giveaway now. This could be a goal because he's got Mbappe and acres of space. Pele has run offside, so now Mbappe will have to slow down just that little bit. He can find Ronaldo at the back post if he goes for the cross. He does go for it, takes the shot, saved by Van der Sar. Again, letting SC East Bengal off the hook. They might go for a cross again over here. This time played to Ronaldo. Goes for the finesse shot, but
look at the possession. The Jamshedpur FC boys have been dominating this game, but in terms of the scores, it's somehow still leveled up.
yeah, and oh, there. Speaking of level, not level anymore. Jamshedpur FC get that goal. Could be a very crucial goal for them if they manage to hang on to this win, because at the end of this tournament, there's a massive gap for Mbappe to run into, and there he has spotted it brilliantly. And now at the far post, finds Ginola. The header, very strange ball physics there, but it lands at the feet of Ronaldo, and it's 2-0 for Jamshedpur FC. Apologizing for ruining SC East Bengal's whitewash plans. But yeah, Jamshedpur FC showing, and this will help them. This will help them get that little bit of confidence back. That what a block. It looked like if he connected on that tackle, it might have been a red card. It's Mbappe goes for the finesse shot. Unfortunately, that